Hello, for today's video is how to use gestures on Android. So it's just simple and there is many ways to use gestures on Android. Just for example, if you swipe down, you will see here the settings, different kind of settings. And if you swipe down again, you will see more menu on settings. And if you swipe up, you will go back to home screen. And if you try to go to settings and find out the gestures, you will go here to the gestures and it will show you like this. If you go to home screen, you will swipe up from the bottom of the screen, then open recent, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause. So if you go back, swipe left or right, then trigger apps action, swipe left or right from the edge of the screen in top area and switch between apps. If you swipe left and right from the full screen indicator or bottom of the screen. So if you go back here, you can also make some gestures shortcuts. And make sure if it's toggled on. Just like this, if you press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds, it will launch Google Assistant. So if you try to screenshot and slide 3 fingers down or volume down plus power. So let's try. It will take a screenshot. And it says here, to launch camera, double press the power button or double press volume down when the screen is locked. Make sure it's on. So it's here. We're already on the camera. And if you turn on torch, you can double press the power button. You will just toggle it on. So if you want more gestures, you can take a look with this one. So I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!